working on this for a month, which is crazy. Part of it, I don't know how to finish it. That's one thing. Second thing is just so big and intimidating that I'm just scared of it. I'm scared of my own work. So we shall see what's gonna happen today. I truly believe that I am going to finish it, but I don't know. I mean, I've been saying that for a month. I'll keep you posted, but I'm super excited about it. I can't wait for it to be done. I can't wait to take it to this boutique that I work with. I'll update you on that later as well, but it's a lot, man. I mean, it's just a lot. I'm gonna work on the last part, which is attaching these pieces to this giant monster and just hoping that that's gonna be enough. But I'm a little worried that it might not be enough. And then it means that I have to go to downtown and pick up more fabric. That means that I won't be able to finish it today. Tomorrow I have some errands to do, so wish me luck, and I'll see you soon.
Stars in a magic field, we let it all out, we're well concealed. And every moment when I'm with you, it's a blessing, no more stressing. So if you want to, come and hold me. Yeah, I know you need some cure for all the pain. What can I do? Your curtain's eye. This joy is love, 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 but it's hard to feel the tension. What are you dreaming of? Yeah, I know you need some cure for the pain. What can I do? I keep falling for you. This joy is love.